Hi, it's Alyssa from Online Fabric Store. Winter is coming, and so is the final season of Game of Thrones. Here's how to make a Game of Thrones blanket to keep you warm through the long night and your premiere party. So let's get started.
The materials you will need are 2 yards of faux fur, 4 yards of flannel, 3 packages of fleece binding, scissors, thread, a measuring tape, a fabric marker, pins or clips, an iron and board, and a sewing machine. The blanket will be the size of 2 yards of faux fur. Since the flannel is not as wide, you will need to make a piece that is large enough to cover the back of the faux fur. To do this, cut your flannel into 2 pieces that are each 2 yards long. With right sides facing, sew the 2 pieces together lengthwise. Now, cut the flannel from the edges lengthwise. Open the flannel and iron the seam open. Pin or clip the fur to the flannel with the wrong sides facing. Sew around the perimeter of your blanket with a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Cut both layers down about 1/8 inch from the seam. Pin or clip the binding to the perimeter of your blanket. Sew the binding to the blanket. Binding is similar to bias tape and can be attached the same way. For more information, see our How to Sew Bias Tape tutorial.
And now your blanket is complete. Thanks for watching this OFS project. Like and subscribe to our channel for more crafting videos, tips, and tricks. See you next time.